UnicodeDecodeError, UTF8 codec can't decode byte 0 by 9c. I have a socket server that is supposed to receive UTF-8 valid characters from clients. The problem is some clients, mainly hackers, are sending all the wrong kind of data over it. I can easily distinguish the genuine client, but I am logging to files all the data sent so I can analyze it later. Sometimes I get characters like this OA that cause the UnicodeDecodeError error. I need to be able to make the string UTF-8 with or without those characters. Update. For my particular case, the socket service was into and thus I only expect to receive ASCII commands such as. I was logging all of this in JSON. Then some folks out there without good intentions decided to send all kind of junk. That is why for my specific case it is perfectly okay to strip the non-ASCII characters.
This URL or note, this will strip out, ignore, the characters in question, returning the string without them. For me this is ideal case since I'm using it as protection against non-ASCII input, which is not allowed by my application. Alternatively, use the open method from the codecs module to read in the file.
Changing the engine from C to Python did the trick for me. Engine is C. UTF-8 codec can't decode byte 0 by 92 in position 18. Invalid start byte. Engine is Python. No errors for me.
This type of issue crops up for me now that I've moved to Python 3. I had no idea Python 2 was simply steamrolling any issues with file encoding. I found this nice explanation of the differences and how to find a solution after none of the above worked for me. This URL. In short, to make Python 3 behave as similarly as possible to Python 2 use. However, read the article, there is no one-size-fits-all solution.
The first, using get_encoding_type to get the file's type of encode. The second, opening the files with the type.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.